This, my friends, is how you fuel up for a day searching for the best waterfalls in Lopburi. Right. We're all going to the waterfall. Including Capitan. Capitan's coming to the waterfall too. Thailand, land of markets. If you go anywhere and you can't find anything to eat, that means you're not there. Because if you're there, there's everything to eat. Everything to eat, everything to buy. You may not know what any of it is, except for Coca-Cola and Fanta. But it'll be here for you. Alright, I think they decided this is too local, too popular, time to move on. Alright, well, I guess we're going somewhere more beautiful, less full of people. I thought that was pretty cool, honestly, but oh well, it's not so hot, so I'm not dying for a swim. Like yesterday, I would have been like, nope, we're staying here, I'm dying. Here, like a party spot. River. There's a river down there under those vines. Captain, what's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter with you? Where are we? National Park. Just like everywhere else in Thailand, the national park has stepped up their food and beverage game to the next level. They got it all. They got whole chickens. They got fresh smoothies. They got not fresh smoothies. They got even fresher smoothies. They got flamingo floats. They got Coca-Cola on every table. Help yourself, pay later. They got soup. We got a table, but I'm not hungry because my breakfast is the size of 6 meals. Now, hopefully, they got bathrooms. So hopefully they have an actual national park attached to this parking lot market. I think they do. It's got a 4.4 on Google. It's a great place. So we'll see. These guys are eating meal number 2. I can't do it. I'm full. Yet another feast here in Thailand at the national park. Me, no food. I had enough food for breakfast to probably last me till tomorrow. But I'll eat later tonight. Nice. Little Captain Monkey is watching TV and eating chicken noodle soup. Listening to American songs or English songs. E-I-E-I-O. Yeah. Yeah, much prettier. Should have brought my GoPro. Oh well. Live and learn. Just got it. Don't want to lose it. Alright, time to go swim. Alright. I'm going in. See how cold it is. I can't imagine it's too cold. It was 120 degrees yesterday. Oh yeah, it's chilly though. It's comfortably not hot. I don't know if I'm supposed to be here, but there's kids over here, so I think it's okay. It is busier than crap. That's okay. I don't know how deep it is, but whatever. If it's deep, I get wet. And he's swimmer. High five. Come on. Oh, yes. Yeah. You're the man, Captain. You're number 1. Hey, Captain Monkey, you like it? You like the water? Say, I like it better with my dad than with you. I trust him. I don't trust you. You got a big old smile on your face. You like it. Yeah, it's like taking a bath. What's up? Monkey man. Nice. Oh, Mama's braving the water to come visit her Capitan. The water monkey. The water monkey.
ลิงเล่นน้
Little water monkey man. So shallow, so rocky. All right, I just found the deep stuff. Maybe. Till I kick a rock. Oh, I kicked a rock. You gotta step up and over and hope you don't come down on a rock. And if you do, at least you don't stub your toe. Nice. This water is about 78 degrees Fahrenheit. It's like 120 kilograms. You know what I mean. No, it's probably maybe 80 degrees, about 25 degrees Celsius. If anybody knows what that means. Oh, it's deep. This is sweet. I can actually swim. All right, looks like Yellowstone in summer if the water wasn't 36 degrees. All pretty except for me. I'm almost 100% sure I'm the only white guy here. Maybe the only non-Thai person. This guy's not sure if he can trust me. But he can. I'm trustworthy. I wish the water was a little deeper. It's like rocky and 3 feet, 2 feet deep. There might be deeper spots, but I don't know where they are. Probably over there. That looks deeper. I'm gonna go over there. There's a jungle around this here creek. A developed jungle with bridges and shit, but the jungle nonetheless. Jungle full of quite evolved primates. And this guy, he's here. He's my bud. He's my bud. I don't know his name, but he's cool. He just high-fived me. Now he's gonna go jump. Go up and jump. I'll get you on film. It's really not easy swimming with a camera in your hand that you don't really want to submerge. Although it is okay water. Ah, found some rocks. You okay? You need some help? Okay, bravo. Yay! Well done. Oh, it's cliff. Here we go. Young cliff divers. Bam. Okay. One more. Oh, bam. Oh. Bye-bye, waterfall. Anyway, I apologize for that I am a bit of a moron, but it was a sight to behold. Many, many tiers of beautiful pools and waterfalls. Lost completely by yours truly. Bye-bye, National Park. Bye-bye, wonderful market in National Park. I guess we're going to get some ramen. At least that's what translator said. Let's go. And ramen was eaten. And friends were made. A day was completed. Waterfalls had been found. And water had been jumped in. And cooling off had been done. Success.